All right, so moving on to our next guided practice problem. It says which equation best represents the values in the table. So now we have to find the equation that matches our table. Okay, so 3 says substitute x equals 0 in each equation to find the y value. Okay? So we're going to do that just like on the previous one where I took the x value and I plugged it into my equation to see what my answer was. I'm going to do the same thing. So here it tells me y is equal to 1/2 x minus 4. So I'm going to have y equals 1/2 times 0 minus 4. Okay, so what's 1/2 times 0? And if you said 0, that is correct. So 0 minus 4, so that means y equals -4. So for F, y equals -4. All right, so now we're going to try G. So our equation says y equals x minus 6. So here it told us to substitute 0 for x. I'm going to put 0 minus 6. So y equals 0 minus 6, -6. Then H says y equals 1/4 x minus 3. So we're going to go ahead and substitute 0 for x again. So 1/4 times 0, again, is 0, minus 3. So 0 minus 3 is y equals -3. And now, last but not least, J. And J tells us that y equals 1/3 x minus 4. And remember, it asked us to substitute 0 into our x form section. So we're going to have y is equal to 1/3 times 0 minus 4. And so if you're wondering where we got the 0 from, it's right here. It's the first x value we have in our table. So 1/3 times 0 is 0, because remember, anything times 0 is always 0. And then you have minus 4. So what's 0 minus 4? -4. So next to your y, you have -4. So that means that when you plugged in the 0 into your equation, you should have got -4 as your answer. So what question number 4 says, based on your answers in number 3, can we eliminate answer choices? You can eliminate answer choices what? So which answer choices can we eliminate? So yeah, if you said we can eliminate G and H, you are correct. So we can eliminate answer choice G and answer choice H. So now we're down to 2 answer choices. So now let's see what number 5 wants us to do. It says, look at the remaining answer choices of the x values in the table. Why is x equal to 12 a good choice to substitute in the remaining equations? So now it wants us to try to use 12 instead of 3. Why do you think 12 is a good number to use? So look at your 2 equations we have left. We have F and J left. Why do you think 12 is the best number to use? Yes, if you said 12 is the best number to use because it is divisible both by 2 and 3, you are correct. So why is 12 a good choice? X equals 12 a good choice to use to substitute? Is x equals 12 is a good choice because 12 is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay, so now we're gonna plug in our 12 into our equation. So let's try f. And for f, we have y equals 1/2 x minus 4, or answer choice F. So we're going to have y equals 1/2 times 12 minus 4. So what's 1/2 of 12? Remember, multiplying by half is the same thing as dividing by 2. So 12 divided by 2, 6 is correct. So 6 minus 4. And then I'm going to let you figure what that y would be. Let's look at answer choice J, right? Which tells us y is equal to 1/3 x, which we said we're using 12 as our x minus 4. So y equals 1/3 times 12. So if you have 1/3 times 12, remember, multiplying by 1/3 is the same thing as dividing by 3. So 12 divided by 3, 4 is correct. So you have 4 minus 4. So which of those two gives you an answer of 0? The one that gives you the answer of 0 is your correct answer choice. I'm not going to solve it. You should be able to finish that last step for each answer choice to determine your answer. It's fairly easy, okay?